Land Rover Defender in for the pin code immobiliser. Let me show how it all works. So this one will allow you to start. On this case, being a hybrid, it goes to ready, but you cannot select gear. Completely locked out until you put in your code. So if I enter the customer's demo code, if you watch the main beam light, double flash, and now we can select gear nice and safely. As soon as you switch it off, 5 seconds later, it automatically rearms, or there is a second option to arm when you open the door. Choice is yours. So if I start the vehicle again now, cannot select gear. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.
She knows